If you're looking for an affordable cooler that provides an impressive level of cooling performance, the Thermalright Phantom Spirit 120 is an incredible choice. It competes with high-end air coolers such as the Noctua NH-D15 and the Deepcool AK620 at a much lower price. Thermalright has raised the bar high with this one, and it's gonna be tough to beat for a while. One of the reasons this cooler is so great is that it improves upon its already impressive predecessor, the Peerless Assassin 120. This new cooler from Thermalright adds an additional heat pipe, a new fin array setup, and lower noise levels. It's available in the form of the Phantom Spirit 120, the 120 SE or SE RGB, and the 120 Evo. All three of these models are excellent in terms of cooling, but the SE is ever so slightly smaller. As for the Evo, it delivers better performance because of the powerful fans, but tends to get a bit louder. Considering that, the standard Spirit 120 is the best balance of noise levels, performance, and price. As for the design, the cooler features two 120mm high static pressure fans and 7 heat pipes. To effectively dissipate heat, ram clearance is up to 42mm, meaning taller DIMMs will have a harder time with compatibility. Fortunately, you can adjust the fan clip to increase the height of the front fan. Of course, that's a sacrifice you have to make with any dual-tower air cooler. Like other air coolers of this caliber, this CPU cooler is massive. It won't fit into every case, and memory clearance can be an issue for some. However, if you can accommodate it in your case, you'll be anything but disappointed. In terms of cooling, the Spirit 120 manages to match the Noctua NH-D15. The NH-D15 has been the gold standard for air cooling for years now, and seeing a cooler match its performance for half the price is saying something. Rest assured, this cooler leaves a lot of headroom for overclocking, and won't have any trouble keeping the CPU within reasonable temperatures. The best part is that it achieves this performance with very respectable noise levels. In a typical case with average ambient noise, you likely won't notice the sound of the fans. As for the competition, there aren't any coolers that can keep up at this price. The closest is the Deepcool AK620, but even that costs twice as much. Cooler Master's Hyper 212 Evo is around the same price, but is nowhere near the same level of performance. Thermalright has done a great job with this cheap air cooler. Ratings: Design and Aesthetics, 7 out of 10. Cooling Performance, 8.5 out of 10. Noise, 8.5 out of 10. Installation, 9 out of 10. Value for money, 9.5 out of 10. For an overall rating of 8.5 out of 10.